Hi there, this might just be the most underrated juice for gut health and glowing skin, and you probably already have all the ingredients at home. So, if you've never tried cabbage juice before, you are in for a surprise. Today, I am blending red and white cabbage with pineapple, ginger, lime, and a few fresh dates, creating a refreshing, nutrient-packed detox juice that helps heal your gut, support weight loss, and boost your natural glowing skin from inside out. Stay tuned because once you see what this does for your body, you want to make it every morning. So let's get started and prepare the ingredients. First of all don my gloves and get myself ready, and then I start prepping my fresh dates. The fresh dates are quite easy to take out the seeds. I'm splitting that into two to actually be able to take out the seeds from the middle. So I did that for all the dates. These were approximately like 15 dates, fresh dates, and I prepped it, and then next I went in with my ginger. So the health benefits of the fresh dates are to provide a natural sweetness without refined sugar, and dates contains potassium, magnesium, and fiber that support digestion and offers slow energy, balancing the juice acidity and adding in gut health. And then we go next to the ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant root and helps reduce bloating, detoxify the liver, and boost circulation. And it's also very excellent in digestion and balancing hormones, especially for women. And if you notice in this channel, I've been talking about PCOS, balancing hormones, and stuff like that. So if you're in this category, this juice is definitely a good try for you. Then we'll go next to our lime. Limes are loaded with vitamin C, and which helps to detox the liver and boost collagen. This alkalinity in the body gives the alkaline nature in the body and adds and aids in flushing out toxins, enhances flavor and freshness of this juice. And then the lime, the ginger, and the dates has been well prepped, and then we are moving on to the pineapple. Here is the good trick about this pineapple. The pineapple gives a good flavor for this particular juice, and the scent, the pineapple scent just gives that refreshing taste of this particular juice that suppresses the smell from the cabbages. So pineapples are this pineapple is a good sweetener and is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces bloating. It boosts metabolism, helps break down protein, and supports immune function, and also aids in as delicious tropical flavor that balances the earthiness of the cabbage, just like I mentioned. And then we are moving straight away to the red cabbage. Red cabbages are very underrated but very packed with vital nutrients that are needed for the body. The red cabbage is rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protects the cells in the body. It supports the liver detox and hormone balance. Did you get that? Hormone balance again. Plus the dates and the red cabbage is a game changer for this particular juice. So the red cabbage is equally high in vitamin C, K, and improves skin health and immunity. So we are moving into the winter and the cold season. This is definitely something you would love to try for the change in season to boost your immunity and reduces the ability to get sick during this season. And it also promotes gut repair due to natural probiotics and fiber. The most important thing about this red cabbage is that it has a lot of probiotics, and if you want to balance your gut health, then red cabbage should be a good try and a good try for you. White cabbage, without being underrated as well, it is soothing for the stomach and reduces stomach ulcers and promotes digestion. Excellent for gut cleansing and maintaining healthy bowel movements, and contains glutamine, which supports the intestinal linings as well. So you can see just mixing the two cabbages is very, very essential and is really, really delicious and a game changer for your health. So plug everything into the blender, into the juicer, and then juice. So now friends, after listening to all the health benefits and the necessary ingredients for this particular juicing video, will you not click that subscribe button? If you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share your thoughts. What juice is your favorite so far? Is this something you would love to try? If you would be trying this recipe, please comment down below what your favorite ingredients are. What is a good a take in for you, and what you would not like to include in this particular video. So I'll be reading the comments and seeing what you guys are thinking. So let's continue. So if you're one of those that have tried all other options to lose weight or to cleanse your gut or to balance your insulin sensitivity, then this video is definitely for you, and this channel is definitely for you, because I share a lot of video from an experience of someone who has been a PCOS survivor, and the experiences I have gathered with my own research and what I have tried so far with errors and what has worked for me. I think I am in a better position to share with you my experiences and what experts have done with my own research and the science-backed researches that has backed up what can be done for gut reset and upsetting the hormones or balancing your hormones, and to be able to lose weight. Because one thing to lose weight is not just a quick something or just what you eat, but be able to start from your gut cleansing, and from there you can be able to keep your body ready for the next
So
step.
after achieving everything and juicing everything, this is how I squeeze the chaos, because I really realized that the juicer, the bulb from the juicing from the juicer requires that I still have to squeeze it through my chiffon cloth like this to extract the remaining juice that when able to extract from by the juicer. And you can see the quantity of juice that comes out of it whenever I squeeze like this. So this is very necessary. So if you're somebody who maybe wants to lose weight or cleanse your system, improve digestion, and nourish your body naturally, then this cabbage juice is definitely a must try for you. So try this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. So like I always encourage on this channel, it's not just about drinking this, but also think about what you eat. If you drink this, cleanse your stomach in the morning hours, and then eat healthy with good fiber, high protein meals, then you'll be able to keep you full for the rest of the day, and you may just probably be eating just once a day plus this juice, or once and then maybe a protein snack by the side. So thanks for watching this video up to this very moment. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and like this video, share to your friends and families, and comment down below if you'll be trying this juice, or what is in this juice that is most favorite, or what you don't like. I would love to know in the comment section. So let's try.